Unlock the full potential of your Sony a7 IV on your Mac by effortlessly hooking it up for everything from epic file transfers to stunning webcam feeds. First, let's get those incredible photos and videos off your camera and onto your Mac. Connect your Sony a7 to your Mac using a USB-C cable. Make sure your camera is powered on your Mac. Open Finder. You should see your camera appear in the sidebar under Locations, or as a connected device. Click on it to access your media files, just like any other drive. Want to elevate your video calls or live streams? Your a7 IV doubles as a fantastic webcam. Download and install the Sony Imaging Edge webcam software from Sony's official website. Once installed, launch the application. Connect your a7 to your Mac via USB. Select your camera as the video source within the Imaging Edge webcam software. Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application like Zoom or OBS and choose Imaging Edge webcam as your camera. For wireless freedom, you can connect via Wi-Fi on your a7 IV. Navigate to the network settings and enable Wi-Fi. Select the option to connect to a smartphone or computer on your Mac. Open System Settings. Then go to Wi-Fi. Look for a network name that starts with set_share_ followed by your camera's serial number and connect to it. You might need to enter a password, which is usually displayed on your camera's screen. Once connected wirelessly, you can use the Sony Creators Cloud app on your Mac to transfer files. Download and install it from Sony's website. Launch the app, and it should detect your connected camera. You can then select and transfer your photos and videos directly to your Mac. This wireless method is perfect for quick backups or when you don't want to be tethered by a cable. If you encounter any connection issues, first ensure you're using the correct, high-quality USB-C cable. Restart both your camera and your Mac. Also, check for any available firmware updates for your a7 IV on Sony's website, as these often improve compatibility. With these simple steps, you're all set to seamlessly integrate your Sony a7 into your Mac workflow, whether it's for powerful file transfers or crystal clear webcam functionality. Happy shooting and creating!